Hearty welcome to our channel. Now we are about to see what are the free plagiarism checkers that are available online that are very useful for the beginners to improve or enhance their essays, research articles, technical reports easily. Now I would like to show you what are the most preferred plagiarism checkers online. These are the most preferred one: CopyLeaks, DupliChecker, Plagiarisma, Qtext, and Plagium. All these are in some or other way, they provide the free services. But when it exceeds a particular amount of period, they might ask you for a nominal amount. But most of the times they provide us the free services. And all these tools are artificial intelligence based tools. Now let us see their websites, how they are look like along with their URLs. The very first one which has been shown here is the CopyLeaks. It is a very good free tool which is used to check the plagiarism content. Even the paraphrase content also it will cross checks, and it will help us to make our documents free of plagiarism. And coming to the options, it gives various options for education purpose. You can see for university students like that, it provides a lot of options. Similarly, if we go for enterprise option, it will show you so many options, even for the freelance professionals, government documents, for media, small business, all these documents it will show you. Even you can look for the pricing here, but as we are mentioning it is a free, we are discussing only about the free things now. Here 20 free scans per month can be procured using this particular tool. And also it provides us the features, how this particular CopyLeaks tool works in identifying the plagiarized content in our articles. You can look up them. They have provided various attributes which can be helpful to find out the plagiarized content or copied content in our articles, such that we can enhance our documents and we can rephrase them in order to avoid rejection in the, it will be journal side or in the academic side. Similarly, and the second one you can see here is DupliChecker. Now in this one you can see how it will work as. You have to type some content. It will take almost 1000 words limit per search, and if you want to have some file condition, that also it works very finely by adding, if you can check plagiarism as well as you can check for grammar also in this particular DupliChecker tool. These are the advantages of these tools. Even it provides various options based upon SEO. There is text analysis tools, web management tools, keyword, IP tools. There are so many options how it will provide us the services. Even if you can go for demo video available in that particular video, there is website of duplichecker.com. The third one is a plagiarism. It is a simple and free where you can directly copy here the content from your article and search for what are the copied contents available in our articles, and it can be seen that it provides us not only in English as well as in almost 190 plus languages. If you come to this website and verify whether your language is available or not, you can verify for here after copying out the content here. Moving to the next part, that is Qtext next tool. It is also similar to that of plagiarism. Here we have to copy the entire text and we have to look for the plagiarism content. Once we look for the plagiarism content here, it will be easy for us using the check plagiarism option here to check any matter is copied from any other journals. Now, it is most of the times useful as a free tool or freeware for various, it is even academic purpose. It will give us the results like this as shown here, easiest results by highlighting the amount of matter which is copied in our articles by mentioning the color grade here. This is most helpful for the academic purpose. Now, moving from here, the last but not the least, the plagium. It works in the same way. It also uses 1,000 characters limit. You can copy and check for the verification of plagiarism after a particular amount of words, that is 1,000 characters. Even you can buy for a nominal amount starting from 2 rupees based upon the plan you are checking for. This much it can be helpful for us. It works on checking out almost all the servers to verify whether our document is copied or not. This is how this particular tools are preferred as free plagiarism checkers, even though the most preferred plagiarism checkers in the worldwide research world are Turnitin and Authenticate. But these are the 5 preferred free plagiarism checkers, but with limited options. But it will be very helpful for the students and academic purpose for verifying the document authenticity. Okay. Thank you for listening to our video. Give your suggestions. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for listening.